friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and we have a really fun toy ice cream set that we're going to play with. It looks like it is from EC Toys, and it's called Laughably Food, and it says Utterly Laughably. This is a really cute set. It's Velcro ice cream. We're going to play with it and talk about colors. Here's the bottom of the set. Let's open this up. This set looks like a whole lot of fun. Right here we have an ice cream scoop, so we can scoop ice cream. It looks like we have 2 sugar cones, 1, 2, and they both have Velcro ice cream. Next we have this classic style of ice cream cone. It has a cute little flower sticker decal on it. It says ice cream. And this is the flat bottom type of cone, which is nice because it will stand up on its own. This kind you have to hold, it won't stand up on its own. And this has 2 Velcro ice cream scoops on it. Then it looks like we have 3 separate scoops of ice cream. We have a really cute spoon. On the spoon is a little girl and it says cutlery. It's cute. Then we have 2 orange cups that each have a scoop of ice cream on them. Here's the second one. So first with this set, I would like to count how many scoops of ice cream we have. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this set comes with 9 scoops of ice cream, 2 cups, 1 classic cone, 2 sugar cones, a big yummy ice cream scooper, and then it comes with 1 yellow spoon to eat our ice cream. Now let's talk about colors. Right here we have a scoop of orange ice cream. Orange. Here we have a scoop of purple ice cream. Purple. Here we have a scoop of pink ice cream. Pink. Here we have red ice cream. Red. Over here we have yellow ice cream. Yellow. Here we have 2 scoops of blue ice cream. Blue. Blue. Here is another scoop of pink ice cream. Pink. And finally a scoop of chocolate ice cream. Chocolate is the color brown. I love ice cream, so I would like to make myself an ice cream cone. I'm going to grab the scoop. My favorite type is chocolate, so I'm going to scoop this brown chocolate ice cream and put it on the scoop. I have a huge sweet tooth today, so I'm going to add a second scoop. I would like to add strawberry. So I'm going to scoop the pink strawberry. This looks delicious. I have 2 scoops. 1, 2, brown chocolate and pink strawberry. That's going to be delicious. Now I'd like to make some ice cream for some friends. I think my friend's favorite color is yellow. So I'm going to scoop my friend some yellow ice cream and put it in a cup. Yellow. And I'm going to add the yellow spoon to it. Now my friend can eat her yellow ice cream with a yellow spoon. Now I'm going to make 2 ice cream cones with the sugar cones for some of my kids, and they love cotton candy flavor ice cream. So I'm going to imagine this blue is cotton candy flavor. So here's a yummy blue cotton candy flavored ice cream on a sugar cone. And now I'm going to make a second one. Here's a second blue cotton candy ice cream on a sugar cone. Now I have a really hungry friend who wants a huge ice cream. So I'm going to grab this cup, grab this red ice cream, and I'm going to imagine that it's strawberry ice cream. My friend's going to love strawberry. And then I'm going to put the pink strawberry. Maybe this is cherry and this is strawberry. I don't know. We can pretend anything. But this one's red, this one's pink. And let's add some maybe grape ice cream with this purple scoop. And let's add the last orange one because our friend is really hungry for some ice cream. Let's see if it'll stay. Yay! Looks like we were able to get 4 scoops on this cup of ice cream. It's barely hanging on. Let's count this though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if you're curious, my review on this Laughably Food ice cream set from EC Toys is I think it's a whole lot of fun. I think we can have a whole lot of fun pretending that we have an ice cream shop. I think we can have a whole lot of fun naming colors of ice cream. And I also think we can have a whole lot of fun counting with this set. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. We hope to see you again soon.